Hey planty people! I've talked before about how pothos, philodendron, and monstera climb trees in their natural habitat. But did you know that some related plants have a different climbing habit called shingling? What is shingling anyway? And why do some plants do it? Some climbers like Raphidophora Hayii and Cryptantha, Monstera Dubia, and this little guy, a Scindapsus pictus exotica, overlap when they climb and their leaves grow flat against their support. This is shingling, and they do it for a lot of the same reasons other climbers go up trees: better access to light and water. They climb up high in the canopy where it's much brighter, but the main advantage to shingling is that the overlapping leaves direct water right down to the roots of the plant. I'm going to try to make my new little friend shingle on this coir pole. Unlike pothos, philodendron, and monstera, the Scindapsus aerial roots will cling to a cocoa coir pole. And here's my moment of shame. Way back when I made my short about staking the Florida ghost philodendron, I thought the aerial roots would cling to a coir pole, but they do not. They will only cling to moss poles or tree bark. I was wrong, and I'm sorry. Okay, that's enough shame for today. Let's move on. Scindapsus pictus likes a fairly chunky soil mix, so I've added some orchid bark to my regular potting mix. First off, I want to get this guy out of the pot and see how many plants we have here, because it looks like I have quite a few. Oh, look at those roots. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to separate these because they're all sort of root bound. I think that's okay though, because I'll just put the pot right in the middle of them. Okay. Next, I'm going to put about half the soil in this pot, fill it up around halfway, just to help the pole stand up, and then stick it on in there. And there we go. And now I'm going to arrange all these little plants around the pole. Oh, that's standing up pretty good. And then fill it in with the rest of the soil. And it should be right in the middle of this. All right, that is nice and even. And now I'm going to attach these vines to the pole. I'm going to use Velcro ties at this point, just because they're just getting started. And just making sure the aerial roots can get to the pole. That was a little short, but they stick together. All right, so those aerial roots are touching that pole, and they should cling to the pole as they grow. We'll see how this goes. And now we are all set. I'll continue to fasten the vines to the pole as they grow, but for now, I'm done here. I'll be sure to give you an update, so stay tuned to see how it shingles. Do you have any shingling plants? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell to be notified when I release a new video. You can also find me on Instagram at planty.jen, where I share photos and tips as well. If you'd like to learn more about me, please visit my website at plantyjenstinylandscapes.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Time for that theme song.
If your plants look sad and you lost all hope, tried everything, you're at the end of your rope. Should you throw them out into the street? Nope, just ask Planty Jen. If you want to be a planty acolyte, learn the tips and tricks to keep them growing right. Water, fertilizer, and the right amount of light, just ask Planty Jen.